Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is standing yoga. Let's begin. Stand up nice and tall. Bring your right leg cross over your left and bend front knee and extend your left arm and press your hips to the side. And inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. If your gaze is okay, if your neck is okay, gaze up. Try to feel the stretch on the hip flexor, external oblique, and serratus anterior muscle. And slowly release. Let's do the opposite side. Cross, bend front knee, extend your right arm, drop your shoulders down, left hand on the hip and press your hips to the side and try to feel the stretch on the side of your body and hip flexor. And if your neck is okay, gaze up to the ceiling. Inhale. As you exhale, release, go back to center. Now toes touch. And inhale, arms up. Keep your shoulders down. Exhale, forward bend. Hinge on your hips. Inhale, halfway up. And exhale, soften down. Inhale, always up. And hands heart center, Samasrihi. Inhale. And exhale, hinge on your hips, forward fold. Inhale, Adha Uttanasana, spine long. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way up. Hands heart center, Samasrihi. Inhale. And exhale, Uttanasana. Exhale, Adha Uttanasana. Exhale, forward. Inhale, all the way up. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, forward. Inhale, all the way up and hands heart center, Samasthi. Good. Okay, now let's do tree pose. And if its balance is too challenging for you, stand against a wall to use some support. Okay, so toes heels touch. Shift your weight onto the left. Slowly bring your right leg up. Either here or maybe all the way up this way. And if its balance is too difficult, stand against wall or use some chair. Four corner of your foot supporting foot pressing down. Shoulder blades together. Everything toward center. Gaze drishti forward about your eye level. And slowly release this pose and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, now let's do the other side. Four corner of supporting leg, really planting down strong. Kneecap lifting up, use your thigh muscle. Shoulder blades together, slowly bring leg up. Everything gather toward the center. Now, release and shake it off. Okay, now let's do some hip rotation without moving your head. Just hip circle. Now, let's do the opposite side. Good. Okay, now pointing right toes straight, left toes slightly in. Keep both knees straight and inhale. Exhale, reach, 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 reach. And grab your leg somewhere, or if you want to use some block, press your block and press your palm on top of block. Okay. And let's wrap around this hand behind. And if your neck is okay, look toward the ceiling. And make sure you are looking toward the ceiling, forehead higher than your chin to align your neck. Open your sternum toward the ceiling. And always walk on Ujjayi Pranayama. Breathing through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Now reach your arms and back to center. Now turn toes in and make sure the belly button facing to the side, both knees straight. And inhale, drop your shoulders and reach tip of your finger further away and grab somewhere on your leg or block and reach your arms. And if your neck is okay, look toward the ceiling and check your neck alignment, forehead higher than chin, and wrap around your arm behind. And Ujjayi Pranayama, inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Kneecap lifting up to use your thigh muscle. The outer edge of your feet pressing down and heels down. 10 toes wide open and clamped down. Now reach your arms and back to center. Keep your leg wide open. And from here, bend your knee and make sure to pointing your knee to same direction as your toes. And from here, press your knee from inside out and choose your upper body and look toward the ceiling. Now release and change other side. And back to center. And palms together. You can do this sequence anywhere you want. No need for any equipment. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!